Welcome to Merritt Ford. This is a fresh trade that we just got. 2020 F-150 Lariat Sport, 2-inch level kit on it. 3.5 liter EcoBoost with a 10-speed transmission. Special interior package on it. Fully loaded. It's got heated steering wheel, power tilt, telescopic, Bang & Olufsen sound system, navigation, heated seats, air conditioned seats. Power pedals to get that ultimate adjustment for your seating position. It's got memory seating. It's got power folding rear view mirrors. It's got adaptive cruise, lane keeping, auto dimming headlights, rain sensing wipers, large roomy interior, of course, like every F-150. This one is loaded, so even has heated rear seats for the passengers, fold up seats, flat floor, lots of room. This is a 157-inch wheelbase, so it's got the 6.5-foot box on it and power tailgate release. Spray-in box liner. It's got lights in the box. If you put a tonneau cover on, you can still see what's inside at night, and lots of cargo space.